Well, if you want your business to outperform the competition, you need to focus on the right priorities. But these choices aren't necessarily intuitive, and that's where our next guest comes in. Scott Gillis is co-founder and senior managing director of Galt & Company, and they're known for their impressive track record in increasing the shareholder value of some of the world's best corporations. Scott, welcome.
Thanks. I'm glad to be here.
What should be considered the ultimate measure of corporate success?
The ultimate measure of success for any publicly traded corporation is the return that company generates for its shareholders. It's the companies that deliver superior shareholder returns over time that end up doing a better job of rewarding all stakeholders.
And what would you say places the greatest limits on corporate performance?
That's a very good question when you realize that less than 2% of Fortune 500 companies have been able to deliver top quartile shareholder returns for more than 5 consecutive years. Of those companies that have, the chief executives of those companies will tell you that the greatest impediment to delivering superior performance is not external competition, but rather internal management misconceptions about what drives shareholder value and how to manage its growth.
What are some of the ways corporations can manage shareholder value?
In our recent book, Beliefs, Behaviors, and Results, we profile the 5 common traits displayed by corporations that have achieved and sustained superior shareholder returns over extended periods of time. These companies are very clear about their ultimate governing objective, and that is to deliver superior returns for their shareholders. These companies capitalize on the fact that market profits are always highly concentrated, and they're very selective about choosing the segments of the market in which they compete. These companies are very focused on the limited set of issues and opportunities that will determine whether they under or overperform their competition. These companies don't try and copy best demonstrated practices. Rather, they recognize that superior performance comes from doing a better job than competition of satisfying profitable customers. And finally, these companies have instilled a set of beliefs and incentives in their organization that encourage their managers to think and act like entrepreneurial owners.
Well, that was Scott Gillis. Learn more about what Galt & Company can do for your business at galtandco.com.